We are happy because this year it was possible to bring a balanced program with a lot of diversity, not only diversity in India but in Portugal as well. So we'll start with tribute to Goa, tribute to the Goans, and tribute to the language of Goa, Konkani. We will have with us the wonderful Sonia Shirsat, along with five Goan musicians, and they will sing a few songs in Portuguese, but mainly in Konkani. This is very important because we cannot forget the culture and the language of the land. So it's the way, since the festival has some tourists from abroad, so it's a good way to introduce them Konkani and the Goan musicians. So my request is all of the Goans please come, because Sonia is a well-known and renowned singer, but she still needs the support of the Goans. This is my request. After Sonia, we have Aunaga Choir. So for us, it's important to bring another parts of India, and we have decided to bring a choir from Northeast, not only with to celebrate the traditions of Northeast, like we'll sing their songs, as well. It will be interesting to see their attires, because we'll bring attires from the Northeast. Second day, we have Asad Khan and his friends. Asad from Mumbai, and along with his musicians, one from Ahmedabad, from Gujarat, from Rajasthan, with a very beautiful project that is Roots. It's forgotten melodies of India, and to celebrate and to bring together all of these musicians from different parts and different concepts. Asad Khan is a renowned sitarist and different instruments. Probably will talk better than me about the instruments. After Asad Khan, we have the impressive Projeto Sem Paredes. Carlos Paredes is the master of the masters in Portuguese guitar, the biggest Portuguese names of Portuguese guitar, and we are celebrating the 100th centenary of his birthday. And André Varandas and Bruno Costa, they have decided to create this project to pay homage to Carlos Paredes. Nowadays, Bruno Costa is probably, I don't like to say the best, but one of the 2-3 best Portuguese guitarists. And it will be a very interesting concert, because they will play along with Stutic choral and string ensemble. So we are talking about the 2 Portuguese musicians, along with the 21 musicians from Stutic, along with almost 100 people at the choir. It will be something amazing. I have been seeing their rehearsals, and it will be something special. Very well conducted by the talent Parvesh Java. It's an amazing conductor and maestro. So tomorrow, on Friday, will be amazing, but on Saturday will be beautiful too. To close the last day, we'll have, because this festival has more than music, has dancing performance too. Raul and Mitali, they don't need any kind of introductions, because they are a very well-known dancers that promises to be amazing. And after that, we will close the festival with Ricardo Ribeiro. That is a great name of the Portuguese music, mainly of fado, with an incomparable voice, along with the pianist, very well-known pianist, and guitarist too. So I think all of these ingredients, if we join these ingredients, the talent of the musicians with the venue itself, with that view that I will never get tired to say, the view and the landscape from the courtyard of the Monte Music Festival, it's one of the most beautiful in the world. I'm not exaggerating, in the world. So all of these ingredients, I think we have everything to have a charming and beautiful festival. So my invitation and my last words is to all the Goans, all the four, please come. We are doing all of these efforts every single year just to bring music, just to bring culture, not only music, culture, and a very beautiful and unforgettable moments to all the Goans and for those who wants to come and enjoy the music, the view, and the sunset. We did not we didn't break, so we changed the format. We did a online format because in that during the COVID it was impossible to have face-to-face performances. But it's a curious idea. I'm not sure if I should say that because otherwise you will ask me about next year and I will explain why. This year we are celebrating 24 years of Monte Music Festival. We started in 2002. So next year we'll celebrate the milestone 25th edition. So, but I don't want to talk about. So I have to think about this year because a beautiful program is about to come. So that's it. But 24 years of Monte Music Festival. It's a good milestone. And you can see even the last year and 2 days ago and 3 days ago. In my humble opinion, I'm suspect, of course, but people are enjoying. People like this festival because it's a classic festival in a different venue with a different concept, bringing together musicians from different parts of India, from different parts of Portugal, and they are working together, and that is a very interesting thing. Last year we had a very beautiful cooperation among the Portuguese guitarist Ricardo J. Martins and Assad Khan on stage, the sitar and the Portuguese guitar. And they love to work together. And this year I can see Sem Paredes working with Parvesh and Stuti. They are enjoying during the rehearsals, they are loving. And this kind of cooperations, even more taking in consideration the history of the ties, the beautiful ties between Portugal and Goa, are very important. And today we are talking about this performance in Goa. Tomorrow we are talking about in Lisbon or in Porto or in Italy or something together. And this is something very, 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 very. All of this, of course, everyone knows the mission of Fundação Oriente. We are here to promote the ties between India and Portugal, and of course Goa. It's very important to us. But when we have a rich cultural programs or good activities, we can think in a different programs. But mostly India, of course, in general, and Goa in particular. And for us, it's very important not only to promote the Portuguese musicians, but the Indian musicians as well, and putting, of course, the Goans in the center of all of it, because it's not only here. I can give an example. 2 years ago, we invited Nadia Rebelo and Omar Loyola Pereira and Franz Schubert, and we brought them to perform in Macau and Hong Kong. And we did it with Sonia as well. We did it with another musician. We did it with other musicians. So this is the most important thing, and this is the reason that we are here.
I was introduced to Mont by a lot of fellow musicians, and they kept telling me about the festival and the way it has been put up and the professionalism and the beautiful artistic value this festival carries by the founders who are the producers of it, especially this man, Mr. Paulo, who I have become very dear friend with, and Fundação Oriente, and all the people from Portugal to the Goa, everyone who is under doing this festival, everybody spoke highly about this festival. So what I did was, I found out how to reach to this festival, because the way the stage is, the way they portray that festival, I fell in love with. The chapel, the sunset timings, the audience and everything. So I contacted them and then we had a journey now. This is my second year with them, and I'm super honored, I would say, not just excited, very honored to be back with this festival again. And I'm really looking forward. So we have been on talks with Paulo because he loves what we did. He loved what we did last year. That was with a Portuguese guitar and Indian sitar. So that was an amalgamation of two land coming together. This year he wanted, why don't we talk about something, the roots of where we are? And coincidentally, I was actually weaving a concept called roots. So I have hand picked up special talents from Kutch, Gujarat, folk artists from Rajasthan, somebody from Andhra, somebody from Assam, and me coming from Maharashtra. So, and I play sitar. So, an amalgamation of all these things, which is only um, sung or played in a very rural areas. The melodies which are not heard in the commercial manner. And you can call it dohas, you can call it bidais, you can call it folk, you can call it bhajan, you can call it kirtans, and which is now the West is looking at. You know, so we are going to be doing something very amazing for the festival. I'm very sure this is something Goa and the Goa audience and also Monte Festival would enjoy it.
I hope the other musicians don't be jealous to don't be here, but maybe next time. I just want to say one thing because the Assad talent made me broke a rule.
Oh, thank you so much.
I never or we never invite the same artist 2 years in a row. But of course, last year was an unforgettable edition, and along with the other performances, Assad and Ricardo J. Martins delivered a very, very, very good show because of their talents, of course, and because of the two of my favorite instruments, Portuguese guitar and sitar as well. And we had a long discussion, and I told to him, Assad, probably will not be possible because we have this rule. We don't like to repeat the same artist 2 years in a row. But this year the concept is totally different. So the instruments are different. Only the sitar will be there and tabla, of course. But even the theme and the concept will be totally different. So even the people that had attended or attended last year, they will see the same artist than last year, but the company will be different and the concert will be totally different. And I'm completely sure that will be amazing again.
Thank you. Thank you so much for the trust.
So you have a lot of pressure on you. Huh?
I just wanted to add, yes, there is a lot of love from this man and from all the team of Fundação. And I just wanted to say the trust what they have for us, and especially to me, the love. I hope and pray to Almighty that I could keep keeping that every time. Trust me, it's a very big hunger from my side to keep coming back to Mont. I know, and I push him to keep breaking the rules. This is like a home to me. Trust me, not just because of the warmth of the family, what he brings into all of us, but also what Mont Music stands for. It's heart, it's music, and it's for the people who love art and music and the culture. So I can only say by putting it here that please do come, watch the show. Mont gives you the best which nobody gives you. See you there. So just to give you all a glimpse of what is going to happen tomorrow and what's this idea about me weaving the concept called roots, I have to invite very talented, very specific in his own art, Dana Bharmal from Kutch. Dana bhai, please आइए. And then he's Dana bhai. And इनके हाथ में जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट है इसका नाम है संतार. ये एक शान है कच्छ की, कच्छ के रीजन की. And after that, I want to call Rais Khan Manganiyar from Rajasthan. Rais भाई आइए. ये रईस भाई हैं और ये हमारे साथ इस रूट्स में जुड़े हैं. हम आपको एक छोटी सी चीज़ सुनाना चाहते हैं, जस्ट अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ ग्लिम्स ऑफ व्हाट्स गोना हैपन. 1 2 3 4. बलहारी जाऊं रे वो बारी जाऊं रे, बलहारी जाऊं रे, मारा सतगुरु आंगन आया है वारी जाऊं रे,
मारा सतगुरु आंगन आया मैं वारी जाऊं रे. मस्तो मस्ते मस्त कैलेंडर मस्ते ए मस्तो मस्ते मस्त कैलेंडर मस्ते घनने 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 तेरी नौबत बाजे हाल बजे घड़ी हाल बजे घनने घनने तेरी नौबत बाजे हाल बजे घड़ी हाल बजे झूलेलाल कैलेंडर मस्त मस्त झूलेलाल कैलेंडर मस्त मस्त सखी बाज कैलेंडर मस्त 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 मस्त
सो ये मस्त करने वाली चीज़ें हम आपको लिए लेकर आ रहे हैं. Please join us as we eagerly waiting to join the Mont stage. And from all of us, from Dana Bhai, from Rais, and there are all more talented musicians in the band. So see you guys at the Mont.
What I want to say is join us. It will be a free event, as you know. So we are providing 2 shuttles from the Gandhi Circle, the 2 free shuttles, and try to arrive a bit in advance because we will start at 5:45, the first show sharp, so to get your proper seat and come since the first day, as I told before, because the first day I think it's a tribute to, I'm sure that it will be a tribute to Go and a tribute to Konkani, and we cannot stop to promote the Konkani in our opinion because it's the language of the land. And please come to support Sonia, come to support her musician, and come to attend and see a different type of concert from the northeast of India. See, all of you are welcome, all of you are invited, and it will be a pleasure to have you, all of you. Dev Borekono.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.